In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage your NFL ticket subscription. Let's get started. First, head over to your YouTube TV. If you purchase NFL Sunday ticket as an add-on to your YouTube TV membership, navigate to YouTube TV, then click on your profile icon, then head over to the option settings. Now here you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option membership. Now look for the NFL Sunday ticket and select manage. From here you can manage your subscription option. If you want to stop the subscription from automatically renewing, select cancel and follow the on-screen instructions. You may also see an option called explore option, which can allow you to change your payment arrangement, such as switching from a single payment to monthly installments. Now, if you purchase NFL Sunday ticket directly through YouTube as a standalone primetime channel subscription, the process is slightly different. Open your YouTube, sign into your account you used to purchase the subscription, click your profile picture. Now navigate to the option Purchases and Membership. Under the Membership section, find NFL Sunday ticket and select Manage Membership. From here, you can manage your subscription. To stop automatic renewal, click Cancel next to your upcoming billing date and follow the instructions to confirm the cancellation. If you simply want to update your payment information, you can select Edit next to your payment details and update the card or payment method associated with your subscription. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.